There's a reason why a difficult kid who wants attention but misbehaves to get attention, I'm going to consequence that kid for the misbehavior, but I'm also going to give that kid a job in the school store. And people will look at me like I got 16 heads, and they'll say, but that's a reward. There's a difference between reward and intervention. So if I'm giving you a job at the school store, I'm making you the line leader, I'm having you be the door holder, and you're one of the worst behaved kids in my classroom, but what your behavior is telling me is that you're seeking a sense of belonging. I'm going to purposely put you into a role of getting a sense of belonging, of having a purpose for being in my classroom or being in my building. And that's intervention. And intervention is not something that you should have to earn. Kids are asked to earn things that they don't have the skills to earn. And that's where we fall short when it comes to some of these tangible, external behavior systems. So there's a clear difference between intervention, okay, and reward. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.